Do you want to earn a lot of money in less time? If you're earning $200 to $300 for designing a t-shirt, that's an incredible opportunity. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. It's a perfect way to turn your skills into real money. In this tutorial, I'll introduce you to 99designs.com, the most authentic source for designers to make money fast. I'll guide you step by step on how to read and act on any contest brief so you can stand out and win projects. Plus, I'll be teaching a unique method for t-shirt design and show you how to present it professionally using Photoshop. If you want to turn your creativity into a real income, this video is perfect for you. Let's get started.
Unlock 99 Designs.
It can be explained in much more detail here, but I will take you directly to the Browse contest. Open the Browse contest. Here you will see the option of all industries and all categories, so you can choose any category. Here are clothing and merchandise, business, websites, logos, art and illustration, packaging, and books and magazines. There are other categories also in all industries. You have animals, architecture, art, and designing, automotive, communications, computer construction. All types of industries are available here.
In this tutorial, I'll be selecting the clothing and merchandise option because I'm going to show you how to create a t-shirt design.
When you click on Show Filter, you'll see many options to refine your search, including base, gold, and platinum contests, each offering different prize amounts. There's also the option for blind contests, where designs are hidden from competitors. You can even choose contests with a guarantee or those on a fast track, and some contests are private. You have full control to choose the type of contest you want to participate in. Let me guide you through the process and help you find the best contest for your design.
I have chosen a contest for you. Let's open it. The title of the contest is the HLGRAPHICS T-Shirt Design. This is a guaranteed and blind contest.
In this tutorial, I'll be participating in a guaranteed and blind contest, which means that the prize is assured to be awarded, and all designs are hidden from other contestants. This type of contest offers a great opportunity for you to showcase your creativity without worrying about competitors seeing your work. I'll guide you through how to approach and design for this contest, ensuring you make the most of these features to increase your chances of winning. Let's dive in and create a standout t-shirt design together.
First, we'll come to the brief. Here's a look at the visual style written down.
Color preferences. See what color design you want to make on t-shirt. Here are 3 options, read it carefully. You are given the color codes here. And the option of 3 t-shirts has also been given. What color design is to be made on which color t-shirt? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the key details of a guaranteed and blind contest, where not only do you have the prize guaranteed, but your design stays hidden from other competitors. The contest brief provides essential information, including the theme, and they've shared a link to their website. By visiting their website, you can get an idea of their preferred colors and fonts, which is crucial for aligning your design with their brand style. The client has specified that the design will be for a standard sleeve t-shirt, and they've provided their logos in both colorful and single-color versions, which gives you flexibility in your design choices. I've also explained the color codes, so you're already familiar with the guidelines. Finally, if you win the contest, you'll be required to submit your design in various formats, AI or EPS for vector files, and PNG, JPG, or PSD for web and print. These formats ensure the client can easily use your design across multiple platforms. Let's move forward and create a winning t-shirt design that stands out.
Client does not allow generative AI use in this contest. It is written on the left side. You must see it.
Now that I've downloaded all the logo files provided by the client, they're saved in my folder. I'll go ahead and open each of them. This will allow me to review the colorful and single-color versions of the logos to decide which one will best fit the t-shirt design. Opening these files also helps me ensure that the logos are in high resolution and compatible with the AI, EPS, PNG, JPG, or PSD formats required for final submission if I win the contest. Once I've reviewed the logos, I'll incorporate them into the design in a way that aligns with the client's branding and theme. Let's move forward and start working on the design. Since you're making a YouTube tutorial, it's important to set the right dimensions for your Illustrator artboard. For YouTube tutorials, the standard video size is 1920 x 1080 pixels, Full HD, which works perfectly for recording and presenting your design process.
Now that you've set up your page in Illustrator, the next step is to place all the logos you've downloaded onto the artboard. This way, they'll be readily available, and you can easily pick and use any of them during your t-shirt design process.
The logos will appear on your artboard. You can arrange them neatly on the side of the canvas so they're out of the way but still accessible. By doing this, you'll have all the logos at your fingertips, allowing for quick adjustments as you create the t-shirt design. Let's move on to the next step and start crafting your design. All the process will definitely take you some time, but once you have all the things, you will be able to do your work with ease. They will go and check it, copy it from there and paste it here. Here, let me tell you one more thing, that is that sometimes the contest holder don't provide us AI files, they either have JPEG or PNG files from which we can do live tracing on Illustrator. Can convert to AI if the size of these files is big. Here also I have converted them to AI by live tracing and changing their color. Let's go. So now let's start our real work, i.e. now we will create a perfect t-shirt design. The things we will need to design on the top of the t-shirt are the logo and the date given here, we will write it, and also a slogan which we will copy here, and also from we'll add it here, and I'll show you ahead. We will take a duplicate copy of all these and put them aside because we still have to make more designs. Because to work in any contest, we don't make only one design, but we make many different designs and show them to the contest holder so that he can know that we can work and we can do many different things. And he can select one of them or he can choose more than one of our designs.
Now we will separate the logo icon from the logo wording.
Grab the logo wording with the help of the selection tool. Go to the rotate tool, double-click there and move the angle to 90 degrees. This way our logo wording will be vertical.
I already told you that there is a slogan here, we will copy it from the brief and paste it here. For this slogan, we will also choose a good font and increase its distance a little and reduce its size, and then go to the rotate tool and make it vertical so that logo and slogans should be the same. Even you must have understood easily. But if you still want to ask something, please ask me in the description box below. I will definitely give you the answer. So we go ahead and complete our work. If you like my work, please watch my videos and share with your friends. I will be happy. Slogans will be created, outlined, and grouped together with the wording of the logo. Align the wording of logo and their icons so that they line up.
Now we will fit EST 2013 in this design. Here first we will change its font and change its color. We will then fit it into the design.
This will also create outlines and group all objects. A design has been developed, which is vertical. Now by grouping these vertical designs, we will put them on one side, and through this we will create a horizontal design. Select the grouped vertical design you wish to turn horizontal. Use the rotate tool, R, or manually rotate the design 90 degrees by dragging a corner or entering the rotation value in the top toolbar. Once the vertical group is rotated horizontally, you can position it on one side of the artboard as desired. Adjust its placement using the align options, e.g., left or right alignment, to ensure the design looks balanced.
You can now combine the original vertical design with the new horizontal one by positioning them together to form a cohesive composition. If needed, adjust the scale or proportions to match the look you're going for.
Add any additional elements or adjustments to balance the layout, such as color, spacing, or alignment tweaks. This process should transform your vertical design into a horizontal arrangement with a polished, professional look.
To transition your design from a white background to a colored background in Adobe Illustrator, follow these steps.
Here we will use a dark blue and red background and create a design on top of it. Depending on the new background color, you may need to tweak the design's colors to ensure good contrast and visibility. Select the elements of your design, then use the fill and stroke options to modify their colors as needed.
Go to the Layers panel and lock both color layers.
Now we have a grunge texture file from which we will select a grunge texture and use it in our design. For this we will take a duplicate copy of our design and place it below it, and under it all the rest of the workup will keep this grungy texture. See how I'm using which colors. If you look carefully at all the work, you will understand how I incorporated this grunge texture into my design. By creating a duplicate copy of our vertical design and placing it behind the original, we introduced a captivating layered effect. Beneath this copy, we applied an edge grunge texture, which completely transformed the aesthetic of the design. The rough, distressed texture adds depth and character, blending seamlessly with the clean lines of the design while giving it an edgier, more artistic feel. The contrast between the sharp design and the organic grunge pattern elevates the overall look, making the composition visually striking and beautifully dynamic. The texture enhances the design's personality, turning it into a unique, modern piece.
We've now applied our textured design onto a blue background, where the colors and grunge elements stand out beautifully. Next, we will replicate the same design on a red background, adjusting the colors to ensure they complement and enhance the new backdrop. This change will create a vibrant, bold look, further emphasizing the dynamic feel of the design.
Afterward, we will repeat the process on a white background, allowing the design's textures and colors to pop against a clean, minimal canvas. By showcasing the design on various backgrounds, we'll explore how color choices can dramatically affect the overall visual impact. I'm sure you'll enjoy watching my work. Please give it a try and create a beautiful t-shirt design to share with me. I would be so happy to see my tutorials inspire your creations. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you check out my channel, you'll find plenty of videos on t-shirt design, as well as many shorts and tutorials on logo designs. Please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and learn from the content. I'd love to have you as part of my creative community. Once these designs are completed, I will showcase them in Photoshop on a t-shirt, so you can see how beautifully they come to life. This will add a professional, branded touch with ease, allowing the designs to stand out and create a lasting impression. I'm sure you'll love how they look. As we wrap up this tutorial, I'd love to hear your feedback. If you have any suggestions for my next video, feel free to share them. I want to make content that makes your creative journey easier. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Stay creative and don't forget to subscribe for more design inspiration.